Today, we are going to train your English voice to use the. Sometimes we leave out the in front of nouns. This means that we are talking about something in general. If we do use the before the noun, it means we refer to a specific noun. Let's have a look at an example. Sentence 1. My brother is in hospital. That sentence doesn't have the before the noun, which is hospital. So this sentence is general. I am not referring to a specific hospital. It can be any hospital. Next, sentence 2. My brother is in the hospital down the road. Here we have the before the noun, which is hospital. So now we are referring to a specific hospital, the hospital down the road. So that word the makes it specific. Let's have a look at another example. I am eating cake. This is very general. It could be any cake. Sentence 2. I am eating the cake that Jill made. Here I have put the word the before the noun, which is cake. So now I am referring to a specific cake, the one that Jill made. Let's have a look at one more example. I am going to run in a race tomorrow. This is very general. It could be any race. Sentence 2. I am going to run in the school race tomorrow. Here I have the word the, which has made this very specific. I am talking about the school race. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.